What's up guys, welcome to episode 2 of the vlog. I hope this one's a little bit better than the first one. It's also quite a bit longer. And I hope you enjoyed the adventures which I had within my week. So off out to meet my friend to do some photography. It should be really cool and fun, and it's actually a lovely day for going and shooting some portraits. A little bit cloudy, but you know, let's have a look around us. The sky seems absolutely lush. Yeah, like it's just a nice day really.
The next station is Hampstead.
So first off, the shoot went really well. It was really nice to see my mate again and just to hang out with him and have some fun. And we got some really nice pictures, which is obviously the important part of a photo shoot, especially when it's for him and his acting and stuff, and I'll shove them in there somewhere. Yeah, beyond that, I am packed up ready to go to Aber to spend a week with my girlfriend up there, which will be really cool. What's up guys, so probably on the trip to Aber Mrs. has gone inside to get hold of some food because she so she's gone inside to get some food and I'm staying with the car, which is fine. I don't mind that. I might have a little bit of a kip because yeah, it's going well though. Lots of motorway fun, and that's kind of it so far. So my girlfriend and I have just stopped off for a bit of a loo break, and the current timer on the clock of travel is like 5 hours something, and we're still an hour away. So I got into Aberystwyth last night, well I say night, like 7, 8 o'clock, but it was dark, as you saw. Heading to the shops, so gonna get some food and some other stuff, and yeah. So it was cold, wet and rainy and horrible, and as we get back to the car, as you can imagine, it's gone, well, misty and not raining anymore. So when we finish shopping and walking around the place, it's dry. Great. Time to head back. What's up guys, so today the plan is that I'm going to go try and take some pictures of some red kites diving and grabbing their lunch. Hopefully it'll go well, hopefully there'll be some pictures from it which I will drop in and show you guys, but I shall see you later. Enjoy the journey. Hey guys, now I've got home. Just like the weather was a bit shit for it, really, and the birds didn't really seem really into grabbing their food that day. So, I mean, not a great set of shots, but hopefully maybe later on in the year I'll come back up and I'll try and do this again and get a better result. But hey ho, live and learn, that's all you can do. What's up guys, I'm going to go head out and meet my girlfriend for lunch today and then head off into town or something. We'll see how the day goes. So lunch successfully negotiated, student card got so I can get in and out of the flat again, and time to go and, oh, brain fart, time to go and take some pictures in town and see how that goes. What's up guys, so I just had to grab my bag of camera stuff and I'm heading to town and see what shots I can get. What's up guys, so I got to quickly pop into Argos and get hold of a battery for my camera. And yeah. So I've made it into town and I'm going to see what pics I can get. Let's get shooting! Hey guys, so now I found a place out of the wind. Like, I love Aber because it's on the coast and you can, yeah, just that. But on the same token, I hate it. On the guys I only followed like 3 times, nearly broke my camera because falling over. And you know, just general water, and it's very wet generally. Like, it's a lovely clear sky today, which is sort of rare, hence I'm out in town doing stuff. But like, my foot's wet, and it's not even raining. Right, so I'm now back in my girlfriend's place and I'm ready to edit all this stuff together, make a video and look over the pictures I took, and hopefully, fingers crossed, they're all good and nice and wicked. What's up guys, so me and the missus are going to head out and go down to a coastal path and have a little walk along the shore, and oh yeah, I know, so cute. But yeah, no, we're going to go down and see what we can see, and maybe there'll be some seals and stuff and it should be cool. While my other half and I were in Borth, we kind of got the feeling that it's a very dead town. That's not to say that nothing happens there, it just felt like we were there at the wrong season, and it felt like it was very much a summer tourism town than anything else. And I've got some like clips and stuff to show you, just so you get the idea, but it's just really rather odd. Like there was a shop, and I had a little sign in the window saying, you know, if you want anything from the shop, call me and we can arrange a time for you to come pick it up. And it just felt like a very weird attitude. I just felt like it was just run down in a ghost town, and then the summer hit and it's just packed. And I'm just not sure if that's like, I mean, it must work for them, but it just doesn't seem like it should. We spoke to a person who ran the local convenience store, and they said that that's just how it is. And they said that if you grew up in Borth, you will always come back to Borth. Having said that, it does seem like an absolutely lovely place, especially in the summer. But at this time of year, it just seemed really dead. And hopefully later on, I'll be able to get to see it in kind of full swing in summertime and stuff. But yeah, that's kind of it for today and this week.